For the demo, we have taken the sample video. We will apply our machine learning algorithms in order to calculate risk factor for each and every single person in this frame and take sample of any two random people and combine it. Now, as we can see, the individuals are marked with blue boxes and they have their risk factors being calculated in every single frame. If the threshold for risk factor is crossed at any single frame, then their bounding boxes are marked as red. The boxes are marked red only in case they have an unhealthy interaction in the environment. We have also used mask detection in order to calculate risk. In this particular sample image, we have marked the middle person who is wearing a mask as Jagjit, number 234567, and the rightmost person has been tagged as Harsh, numbered 123456, who is not wearing a mask. We do a similar thing for the video frames. We pick every single frame and tag a high risk individual as Harsh, numbered 123456, and a very low risk individual and tag them as 23456. So now we have two people, one at low risk and one at high risk. So only the person with the high risk will receive a mail As we can see, this mail has a link which leads us to our chatbot. As we start, the chatbot will ask us for our ID. As we enter the ID for the high risk person, it recognizes the name and asks for symptoms. Here you can add either more symptoms or upload any documents which you need to show to your doctor. Now it evaluates risk and allows us to book a medical appointment. Now let's consider the second case, in which the high risk person doesn't have many symptoms. So we reset the bot and we get into the high risk person again. Even though the person is feeling well, the bot gives an option for booking because of a lot of unhealthy interactions. Now we reset the bot and try for the low risk person. It recognizes the person as Jagjit. And if the low risk person has symptoms, it will still give an option to book a medical appointment. As we can see, it clearly mentions that there have been low risk for the past 15 days. Now for the last case, when the safe person says that they do not have any symptoms and say that he is well. So here the bot mentions that they have been flagged for unhealthy interactions and wants them to stay safe in the future. So now we will go on to a case where the person has to book an appointment in order to see the booking slot website. When they go to the Disease Assistant slot booking website, any unique user needs to first register. They can do so with their unique ID and their login. Once the account has been created, the person can log in to make changes. Once logged in, the user can book any of the empty slots for the given doctor for themselves or a family member. They click book and add their name, so now the slot appears in red and has been booked. Now if the admin account is logged in, which in this case is Harsh, The admin account can change the slot back to available using their admin rights, and these will be given to medical professional handlers so that in case of any cancellations or any unforeseen calamities, the booking can also be cancelled and the slot can be opened to other people. That is it for COVID disease assistant. Thank you for watching.